In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fixed, non-updating date, or an updating date, in PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a presentation with a hard deadline or you just want your slides to show the current date each time you present, knowing how to control date settings can be incredibly useful. To begin, make sure you've launched PowerPoint on your desktop. With your PowerPoint application open, take a glance at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the File tab right there. Clicking on it will open up a menu where you can choose to create a new presentation or open an existing one. Whichever you choose, it's a good idea to save your work at this point. Saving ensures you don't lose any changes as you're progressing through these steps. Now, with your presentation open and saved, head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. The ribbon is your main navigation tool for editing and customizing slides, and the Insert tab is specifically where you'll find options for adding various elements to your slides. Once you've clicked on Insert, you'll want to direct your attention to the text group within this tab. Here, you should see an option labeled Header and Footer. Click on that, and a dialog box will appear, presenting several options for adding content to your slides. In this dialog box, you'll notice a checkbox labeled Date and Time. Checking this box allows you to add a date to your slide. Now you have a choice. If you're looking to add a fixed or non-updating date, you'll select the Fixed option. This lets you type a specific date directly into the text box, and it will remain unchanged each time you open your presentation. Perfect for a presentation that relates to a particular event or time frame. Alternatively, if you want PowerPoint to automatically update the date each time you open the presentation, you should opt for the Update Automatically option. This is especially handy for dynamic presentations that might be used multiple times in different contexts. After you make your choice, take a moment to explore the various date formats available in the drop-down list. PowerPoint offers several date display options, so pick the one that best suits your presentation style. Finally, decide whether you want this date setting to apply to every slide or just the current slide you're working on. If you would like it to appear on every slide within the presentation, click Apply to All. Conversely, if you're only interested in applying it to the slide you're working on, simply click Apply. And there you have it. Your presentation now includes either a fixed or automatically updating date, tailored to your project's needs. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting!